Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Learn Media. Wilfred Paul is my name. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are new and turn on the notification button and also press the bell icon so that YouTube can notify you whenever we post new video like this. So before we get started in today's video on how you can create your YouTube channel and getting your video going viral. So I would like you to stay tuned to the end of this video so you won't miss out any step in this video. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is to go to your browser. Like I'm using the Edge browser here. So I'll go to my browser and open it. Here is my browser. I'll go to the search bar and I will type in youtube.com. youtube.com. Now I have typed youtube.com. I will press the enter key. When I press the enter key, a page like this will come out. The first snippet here on this search page is what you're going to click, where we have YouTube at the top here. Click on it. When you click on it, a page like this also will come out, prompting you to the YouTube platform. Here in the YouTube platform, you're going to search this icon. For my case, I've already logged in, so I'm going to log out for the purpose of this tutorial. For the purpose of this video, I want to log out my account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you do it, how it's going to appear in your own case. Now, in your own case, because you have not signed in before, this is what you're going to see. Here you say sign in. Here is where you see sign in. Now I'm going to sign into a different account. I'm going to sign in. Now in my case, for the case of this video, I'm going to say use another account. Okay. Now I'm using a different account now. I'll say create account. Come to this create account. Hit on this create account. I want to create account for my business. Okay, because if you have existing account, maybe you have a Gmail account, you just come here and put your Gmail account. When you put the Gmail account, you say next. They will take you to the password here. Okay, so I'm not gonna do this. When you are putting your password, you click on next. Okay, now I'm not gonna do this. I'm going back because I want to show you step by step how you can create yours from start. Okay, now say create. I'm creating for my business. Now put your business, your name. You can also be your business name. Okay, I'll choose a Global Choice TV. Global Choice. Global Choice. Say Global Choice. TV. Okay, I will hit next. Now I'll choose the date. These are your basic information. Enter your date, your birthday, and agenda. Okay, here is where you're gonna put your birthday. For me, I will just use my actual birthday. Okay, 7, and you use your birthday. Now you say, you enter. Here is where you're gonna put your email address. Get address instead. Okay, so this is the one YouTube have selected for me. Choice TV Global. choicetv@gmail.com. gchoicetv@gmail.com. I think this is okay for me. gchoicetv@gmail.com. Now I'm gonna choose this one, gchoicetv@gmail.com. I'll choose this one and say next. Okay. First thing again I'm gonna do is to create my password. Remember to put a stronger password so that YouTube will recognize it more better. So you repeat the password you have typed. Now, after you have done that, you say next. Now, recovery email. This is very, very important too. This is where YouTube, Gmail, Google is going to send your recovery details to the to your creating email address. Okay, so make sure you put the valid email address that you can access. So for my case, I'm putting this my model email address. Okay, so I'll put my email address and say next. When you say next, you put in your phone number too. Very, very important. Okay, I'll put my phone number 80848. Okay, now you say next. Here is your Global Choice TV or is your channel name. Review. Now you say this is your phone number 080. Okay, you review all your information. You say next. Now they are prompting you to accept Google terms and conditions. Make sure you read all these things before you accept it. Okay. Meanwhile, I have gone through all this earlier, so I'm gonna click agree. I agree on the terms and conditions by Google. Now it's prompting me to the next page. Your Google account is ready. Now set up your business. For me, this is your Google business. Okay, I'm gonna do this later, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna say not now. Okay, you have taken me to YouTube now. Remember, this is my YouTube and this is my account. Now I'm gonna create a channel. I'm going to create a YouTube channel. So what you're going to do is at the top right hand corner, where you have your icon here, click on it. You say, go to where you have create account, create a channel. Okay. Here, you click on it. When you click on it, they will take you to this page. Remember, this is how this is how you will appear. This is how you will appear on the YouTube platform. Upload your picture. If you have your existing picture on the system, just go here and choose any of the picture at your system and upload. But I'll be doing video on how you can put all this in my next video. So I'll be going back because this video is how to create your YouTube channel. So I'll be going back while you follow my next video. So I will teach you how you can put your profile profile picture and your banner also. Now I'm going to hit this create. Remember, if this name is okay by you, this is my name on the YouTube platform, Global Choice TV. Okay. Now this is Global Choice at Global Choice TV. Okay. Now I'm going to hit the create channel. So when you hit on it, a dashboard like this will come out. This is your channel, new channel, very brand new. Now, where you're gonna click, because we want this channel to have a banner and also an icon here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this monitor up to customize channel. I'm going to customize this channel. Okay, first of all, what you're gonna do is to click on that customize. When you have done that, they will take you to this. Say, welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights, the latest news and insider tips, analytics, and more. Say continue. Okay. When we say continue, we are going to close this page. We'll close them down and close this page down. Okay. Now we'll go to view channel. We are not going to view our channel now because we are not doing anything. So branding and basic, these are the categories in this layout. Okay. Now we have layout, branding, and basic information. So what we are going to focus mostly is on branding because we want to tell viewers what our channel is about. Okay. So first of all, for us to get this banner, we'll go to canva.com. Go to canva.com. Just go here. I already have account with them. I'll be doing video too on everything about Canva. Okay, let's go back. This was not Canva. So let's choose this one. Canva.com. Here is your Canva.com. So what you're gonna do is loading. What you're gonna do is to come to your where you have your search bar here. You have your search bar, or go to templates. Go to templates. Or want a YouTube banner. Okay, it's loading. So here, you see this search bar here. Okay. Here now on this search bar, we search on here YouTube banner. When we search on it, all this banner will appear. So I'm going to choose the one that is free. Okay. So I'm going to choose any one that is free now. I'll choose this one that is free. Okay. This is for me. This is the one I like most. I'll choose this one. Then I'm going to say customize. Click on it for you to put the name that you want. Okay. Now, when you are putting the name, it's loading. It's loading. Then I'll quickly Control A it to highlight all of them. I'll say, I'll put my channel name, which is Global Choice TV. Global Choice TV. And I'll now enlarging this place so that it will give more space. Okay, this is how I want it to be. So here you now say, thanks. Thanks for checking out this channel. Thanks for checking out this channel. Okay, so we are going to save this one now. Say, click on this share. Okay, and now save it as a download. We'll download it first. So we have downloaded it, which is here. Now we'll go back to our channel. We want to upload this one. When we upload it, it's on the downloads. We now choose it here. This is what we want to upload. Okay, we now choose this one. Okay, this is it. So now say done. Uploaded. I will now say publish. We are going to publish it. Here again, you put your, we'll be doing video for this letter too. So you come here and publish it. When we publish it, our channel will now be live. So from there, we can start posting our video. But before that, let's view our channel to see how it looks like. So this is how your new channel will now look like. Still loading. Still ahead. This is our new channel now, which we have created. This is our banner, a Global Choice TV. Thanks for checking out this channel. Okay, now we'll still do more video on how you can put your accurate keywords so that your video will appear in many viewers, maybe YouTube users. Okay, so make sure you follow us in this channel, press the subscription button and turn on the notification key so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post new video like this. Thanks for watching.